Hello and welcome to your 6th Java tutorial, and today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to use a scanner to create a simple calculator. So the first thing you want to do when you create your class is just import the Java scanner again and create the main method. So once you've done that, you want to again name the scanner, so I'm just going to call mine YouTube again, and then equals new scanner system dot in. And that's again just going to be getting the input. So after you've done that, what you want to be doing is telling the user what to do. Well, no. Before that, sorry, you want to create the variables that's going to be the numbers that the user inputs. So you want to go double, and then num1, num2, and total. You can call them anything you like, but I'm just doing num1 for number 1, number 2 for number 2, just for simplicity. And I didn't say this before, but in Java, you can just write them all on the same line, many variables on the same line, and separate them with a comma. It just saves you having to write out double num2 each time that you require a variable. So once you've done that, you want to be typing, well, you want to give the user an instruction. So you're going to type system.out.println enter enter a number. Then you want to be getting the first number. So what you can do is do num1 equals youtube.next double, and it comes up here, and you just want to click that or type it as I have and finish it there. So now your Java program has got the user's first input number. So what you want to do is tell the user to input the second number now. So again, you would type system, well, I'm just going to copy it because I'm very lazy, and enter a second number. So that's just telling the user to please put in a second number that it will eventually add together. So after that, you want to do num2 equals, I'm just going to copy that again, youtube.next double. So that's then got the user's two numbers, and it's saying, okay, right, what do you want me to do with them two numbers? So we've created another variable, total, and this is going to be the sum of the two users' numbers. So after you've got that, you want to be creating the total. So total equals num1 plus num2. So that's just saying, in fact, I'm going to space it just to make it a bit neater. That's just saying the total, which is up there, is equal to number 1 plus number 2, which is the user's input. And after that, you would like to output the final answer. So system.out.println answer. No, not answer, total. Sorry. And that will then output the total. And since total is a variable, you do not need quotation marks around it. So that's really everything in this tutorial, but I will just run it and make sure it's correct and show you how it works. Yep, if I come down here, it says enter a number, so I'm going to enter 10, and then it says enter a second number, so I'm going to enter 5.67, and it comes up with a total there as 15.67, which you can work out for yourself, but that is definitely right. So that's really everything I wanted to go through in this tutorial, and that is how you would build a simple calculator. You don't have to add them together, you can divide them or times them or take them away or whatever, but I just prefer sticking with add. So to quickly run through everything again, first thing you do, import the Java scanner, create the main method, then you create the scanner and name it, you create the variables after that, and then you tell the user what to do. So enter the first number, then you would get the first number, then say enter a second number, then you would get the second number, and then you would finally total it up and output whatever the total is. So a very simple calculator and pretty easy to understand. So I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.